Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to talk about Liverpool versus Bournemouth match, which will be played in Anfield this Saturday, and scheduled to start 3 o'clock. At the moment, as we know, three matches has each team has played three matches, and surprisingly, Cherry Bournemouth is above the table because they have in the first match they have beaten Aston Villa, and after that, however, their score was Aston Villa was 2-0, but after that, both of other two games they have lost and they were unable to score. On the other hand, Liverpool has played three matches. They haven't able to win, so this is a chance for them to score, make a winning start in the Premier League. Uh, Liverpool is all we know that there was a battle between uh, the top players between City and Liverpool in the last session, and this will continue. Hopefully, we can pick up as the season progress. Currently, we can see that position for Liverpool is not very satisfactory after three matches, but they have a ability to come back. They are full of stars and they are a big team. They Liverpool has been undefeated in the last 24 home matches, Premier League matches, and Bournemouth has lost 13 of their 15 matches away. That gave us a bit of indication that where that match could be going. As I said, Bournemouth only scored twice in the first match against Aston Villa, and after that they have two completed games where they were unable to score and they both lost. And similarly, Liverpool is currently below in the table, but that as we know, it's a big team, and they will come back and they will come back strongly. And this is a time where they can make a start. Mohamed Salah did score in the last match against Manchester United, but and he was unable to get help from uh, his fellow players. But we know that how dangerous he is, and once he get going, he is meant to watch, and his abilities and skills are next to nothing. So we know it will be a good game, and we know it will be. Uh, and as I said in my earlier videos as well, no game is an easy game in the Premier League. Liverpool has to work hard, and they have to prove that they can. They are not the team to write off. Although their performance in the first three matches is not up to their mark, but still they are the team who will be the contender to winning the this season. It will be again an interesting match, and it also can give chances to Liverpool to play for some of the players who usually used in the bench. But also we have to think Liverpool should not make too much experiments. So we can see that they haven't won a game in the Premier League this season yet. So we could see what combination will be used in the match. As far as scoring is concerned, I can predict 3-0 based on what is going on. It could be more, but in favor of Liverpool. Again, these are my prediction. I don't want anybody to make any bet on that one, but I'm as per the things are going as per the standings are as per the level of play the players both team have. I can expect a 3-0 in favor of Liverpool. So hopefully this will be interesting to see, an entertainment match for the Liverpool fans, and also I shall see you next time for another video. Thank you and bye bye.